everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to draw a use case diagram of hotel management system in Star UML. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can view all the latest videos related to this. So let's get started. First we'll go to the model, add diagram and select the use case diagram. You can see at the left all the use cases related to the use case diagram. The first thing that we have to select is the use case subject and just drag it out here so that we can add all the use cases inside this use case type subject. Let's give it name hotel management system. The next step is to add the actors. The first actor that I am going to add at the left side is super admin. So let's just click and add its name as super admin. Second actor that I am going to add is system user. So system user is our second actor. At the right side, I'm going to add one more actor, that is employee. So let's just add employee here. Now, the third step is to add the use cases inside this so that we can connect, that is, we can associate all this with those use cases. So let's just drag it at little left. The first use case that we need to add it, that is being associated with the super admin, that is super admin. What is a super admin can do in a hotel management system? A super admin can manage users and all their applications. So the first use case is manage users and full application. So that is the responsibility of, that is, you can say, the super admin does what he does in a hotel management system. What he manage the users and all their applications. It's his responsibility. Second thing a super admin does is manage hotel because it's his responsibility. So let's add the second use case, that is manage hotel. Now third thing, what third responsibility is of a super admin? If you think, that is manage rooms, of course. If you think about a hotel, in the hotel there are rooms that need to be managed. So all those management will be done by the super admin. So let's add the third use case, that is manage rooms. Now these three, we have added the basic, that is the responsibility of a super admin. Let's see the basic responsibilities of an employee and a system user. An employee can, what an employee can also do. An employee also has the responsibility to manage the rooms. Same responsibility as the super admin, that is manage the room. So let's add this use case, that is manage rooms. Second responsibility that an employee has, that is to manage the facilities, all the facilities that will be managed by the employer. So manage facilities is also the responsibility of an employer. Now let's now go to the mixed responsibilities of super admin and employer. We can just take our system user a little bit down and super admin at the middle, and we can also make our use cases. Now, next use case. What is the next use case? If you see the hotel management system, okay, now in the system there will be login and logout. Who will manage all this login and logout? Of course, the login and logouts from the system will be managed by the super admin and also the employee. Will it be managed by the system user as well? Yes. System user, what the user will do? He will not manage, but system user will log in and log out from the system. So log in and log out from the system will be connected with both three actors. Why? Because admin and employee will manage the system, log in, log out, but the user will use this system, means he will log in and log out. Next use case, that will be update my profile. The user will come in the system, and if he needs to update his profile, he can update it. So the next use case is update my profile. What third key user can perform? User can change its account password if you want. If the user wants to change his account password, as you know, there is this password changing. So this will be also the use case here. Change account password. Now, next, few use cases has been there. We can increase our use case subject by just dragging it at the bottom. And there are few use cases more like admin can manage the services. Whatever services will be there, that will be managed by the admin as well as the user. So let's add the use case manage services. And one more thing, admin will also manage the payments as well as the booking. So booking and payments will also be managed by the super admin. We can add them in one use case like manage payments and booking, or we can add them in multiple. Let me add them in multiple use cases. Manage payments and manage booking. Because booking and payments are one of the most important, you can say, use case in a hotel management system. As a person user will come, he will book the hotel, the room, book the room. So all these things will be managed by the super admin, and user will book their hotels and room. So now more use cases can also be added, like as customers. Employee can come and search the customers. So this is a use case that is being attached with the employee. Employee will come and he will search for the customers. If he needs to search for a specific customer, he can come to the hotel management system and search for them. Employee can create the bills. Bills is also one of the most important use case. So let's add create bills. So these were the use cases that are the, you can say, the important ones in an hotel management system. Now let's connect them, associate them. So we'll click on the associate and we'll drag super admin with the manage users and full application. We'll drag super admin with manage hotel with the manage rooms. Okay, we can just keep it little here. We can just manage our use cases so that it can look little neat. So now, super admin has more use cases, like he will also manage the login and logout of the system as I discussed. So we'll also connect it with this. He will also manage the profile system, whatever update the user will do, he will manage them. All these responsibilities are of the super admin. And if the user changes the password, then this is also the admin's responsibility to check on it and manage it. Then if you talk about managed services, this is also being done by the admin as well and as the user. Manage payments will also be connected because these are the main responsibilities that a super admin should check on it. So these all will be connected with. Now let's connect with the user. User will log in and log out of the system, of course. He'll come and log in and log out. User can update his profile. User can change his or her account password. User can add any services they need. User can check their payments, and user can book a hotel or a room. So now let's go with the employee. An employee also has the same three you can say connections, that he can also log in and log out, and he can also update his profile. He can also change the account password, and he can search for the customers. Only the employee can search for the customers specific, and the employee can create the bills. So these were all the use cases. As you can see, if I zoom them out, you can see the use case diagram of an hotel management system. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can like all the latest videos. Thank you.